Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name's Anthony.Salazar. They call me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 Newmar Bay Star 3226. Beautiful unit. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay folks, as we come inside, we're going to look at our beautiful cockpit area. Now this is on the Ford V8 platform. Beautiful arrangement, nice setup, very comfortable seats. They also spin around and are very comfortable. Can't go wrong with these seats from Newmar. That's beautiful. Now, as we go over to the living area, we've got a nice couch, and we've got a table here, a buffet style table set up here. This leaf does pull out, and you can add an extra leaf and a couple more chairs. Makes for a nice seating area. As we go back towards the kitchen area, you've got a beautiful convection microwave, nice big sinks, refrigerator, plenty of storage. The bathroom is right here as well. And inside the bathroom, you got a big shower, lots of storage in here, nice mirror, great looking bathroom. In the bedroom, nice big walk around bed, television, lots of closet space. This coach has a lot of storage. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.